In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited Telegram accounts using a fake number from any country. The method is very simple, but do watch the full video to understand the complete procedure. So let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to open Telegram, click on Start Messaging. Now as you can see that it's asking for your phone number. So in order to get a fake phone number, you need to open your internet browser. And in the search bar, you need to type TEMPSMSS, TEMPSMSS. Click on this first link. Now if you scroll down, you will see some country flags here. These are the countries of which you can use the phone number. So select any country. I'll go with USA. And below the country flag, you will see this free number option. So all you have to do is to click on that. Again, scroll down. These are the phone numbers that you can use to create your account. So select any one and click on this receive SMS option. Now right next to the phone number, you will see this copy phone number option. So click on it. Once the phone number is copied, go back to Telegram and paste the phone number here. But first enter the country code. For USA, it's 1. Now paste the phone number. Click on next. Click on yes. Click on continue. Okay, now a verification code will be sent to your new phone number, and in order to receive that verification code, you need to go to your internet browser again, scroll down and click on this refresh to view latest SMS option, and here you will receive the OTP code. Once you have received the OTP code, all you have to do is to copy it and paste it on Telegram. Once you have done that, your Telegram account will be created. In this way, you can create unlimited Telegram accounts using fake number. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.